In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word using a built-in template. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow. If you need a professional-looking invoice but don't want to design one from scratch, Word already gives you a fast way to get started with ready-made templates. This is especially useful if you want something clean and presentable without spending extra time on formatting. To begin, open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, go to the File menu, then choose New. This area is where Word lets you start a new blank document or choose from a wide range of templates. Using a template saves time because the basic invoice structure is already done for you, including common sections like company details, billing information, and totals. In the template search bar, type Invoice. This will bring up online template options related to invoicing. Give Word a moment to load the available designs. You'll usually see several free official templates, and they may vary in style. Some look more modern and minimal, while others are more traditional or detailed. The best choice depends on the type of business image you want to present, so take a moment to browse and pick one that fits your needs. Once you find a design you like, click on it to preview it, then select Create. Word will generate a new document based on that template, and from there you can begin customizing it. This is where you'll replace the sample text with your own information. Add your business details carefully, making sure everything is accurate and clearly written. Then enter the item descriptions, costs, and any other invoice information included in the layout. As you fill it out, double check the numbers, especially subtotals, taxes, and the final amount due if the template includes those fields. A polished invoice should not only look professional, but also be easy for the client to read and understand. If the template contains placeholder content you don't need, simply remove it to keep the document clean. When everything is complete, save the invoice in the format that works best for you. If you want a version that is easy to share and less likely to be edited, save it as a PDF. If you expect to make changes later or reuse the file as a starting point, save it as a Word document as well. Keeping both versions can be a smart option for convenience and flexibility. And that's it. You've created a professional invoice in Microsoft Word using a built-in template, quickly and efficiently.